Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Coding Bro. Today I'll tell you how to run live TV channels on laptop, computer desktop via internet for free. Yes, you heard it right, free. There is an application called Top TV which you can use directly to play live TV channels online without any cost. So guys, let's see how to run this application. First, we will download this application. So just go to your browser. I've already saved that download link in my bookmarks tab, as you can see, and this link is already provided in the descriptions box down below. Okay, so you guys can check out the link and then easily go to this page and download the application. So here, as you can see, there is a different variety of operating systems compatible application. Okay, so this what this actually means is you can download the application based on the operating system that you are using currently. So for me, currently I am using Windows 10. So for me, also 64-bit is the one, so I'll be comfortable downloading this. But again, according to your need, you need to download your application. Also, I prefer the one with the portable version. I don't prefer the install versions, which are also available over here, as you can see. Portable version is very cool for me. I can just easily remove it if I want it, and I can keep it anywhere, somewhere safe and all that. That's why I'll go with the portable version. So let's go for the download button. Let's wait. I've clicked the download version, and now you can see it's downloading. My net is quite fast. It's downloading too soon. Otherwise, I would have sent you guys for a cup of tea while it is downloading. Anyways, it's downloaded pretty soon. I'll go to the folder where it is already downloaded. So for running this application, this is actually a zip folder. Okay, so you need a WinRAR archive or a 7-zip file which will uh, unlist the files inside them. So what you need to do, you for me the option is coming extract to Windows. You need to install a WinRAR or a 7-zip to extract the files out of this RAR file. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just extract these files over here. So as you can see, the file is being extracted over here in the background. Okay, so it quickly extracted the file. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this one out and paste it on my desktop. Okay, so now everything is arranged now. Okay, so let me open this application. This is your Top TV application, which you can run to see movies, see, and also uh, live TV, as I said earlier. So let's go to the tabs. Okay, suppose I want to watch some movies. I went to here and then say suppose I see it says open 24 hours 2020 English. Let's just open this app movie just for verifying is it opening or not, or just oh well, very good. It's now opening, and as you can see it has started playing. Let's just watch another movie, One Way to Denmark. Uh, it may take some time to load, depending on your internet configurations. Okay, so as you can see, the application is working, and you can also watch some new series. See, suppose here you can see this is the latest series available on the Netflix, and many other series you can watch just for your entertainment purpose, whatever you need. Guys, I'm just giving the intro over here, okay? And let's see the live TV. Uh, so here we go for the live TVs. You can see different kinds of channels, colors, CTV, Sony HD, Sony Max HD, HBO HD. Let's just click one of them. Okay, so the movie that is playing currently now is Crawl. Okay, let's try for this one. Okay, so as you can see, we are able to play finish. Okay, it was quite noisy down there. Uh, so you can play different kinds of channels, depends on what you are watching. So suppose color sets provided. So okay, guys. So I showed you how to do this one. One thing is quite noteworthy to mention here is you need a geocellular number. Okay. This did not pop up here because I have been running this application earlier on as well. But if you log in it for the first time, what you need to do, so suppose I'm already logged into my geo number, I'll just log out from here. Okay. Uh, so this will now feature me the opening scenario. Okay. So what I'll do, we need to log into my geo number to uh, play all the application live TV channels over here. Okay, so it's nothing, just it will take your number and it will provide you with one of the OTP which you need to provide it over here just for login purpose. And once you provide that, you will be able to play. For me, it did not show earlier because I have been using this application for quite a number of times, quite some time, and I'm enjoying it very much. So that's why I hope I could share this with you guys as well. So once I have logged out, I'll try to log in again, and let's see. Is it playing? Okay, it's playing still. Okay, so let me do it. You log out again and then close this application and then go over here and then just open the application once again just for verification. If I've already logged out, so is it displaying or not? So suppose live TV, I went to the Jasmine TV. See, now your pop-up windows appears and it asks for a geo login. Uh, if you have your geo number and your password or the email that you have provided for verification, you can directly log in. Well, I don't remember the geo number over here and my password as well. What I'll do, I'll just press login via OTP. So I'll give my number over here and it will send an OTP to my number. So I've already received my OTP number in my cellular phone. I'll just provide it here. 26. Unfortunately, I cannot display the my number and the OTP, but yeah, this is working. And once you provide this OTP, it is saying logged in, but you need to restart the app to watch Jasmine TV. Okay, so what we will do, we'll just close this one and then restart this application. As you can see, it's a Make in India initiative. Well, I was just trying to be funny, guys, nothing to worry. And once you go to live TV, now Jasmine, once you went to the Jasmine, and then all the channels earlier were displayed like colors, HD, and all will now, you guys will all be able to play now. Uh, so,
Advertising. It
and
fuels sales, production, jobs, entire economy.
Annabella is next, I
Let's advertise.
suppose. Okay. We are in the advertisement section over here. Let's see colors.
काम है
जैस्मीन एक मिनट
Um,
हमने दूसरी
okay, that was pretty annoying, I suppose. Let's watch some other chats. Sony Pix HD. Okay. Okay. So, as you can see, all the channels are being played. You can play it without any interruption. And you like TV, you can just enjoy it.
Crasher is out. Oh, सीधा उधर फेंक दी.
So, guys, just let me know in the comment down, or you can just comment down below in case you find any difficulty playing the live TV channels. With this, I would end this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For instant access to more of such informational videos, please press the bell icon button down below, just beside the subscription box. And see you till next time. Till then, goodbye and enjoy.